can I ever want something that goes against what is
If I decide,
what is supposed to?
let's
don't
say
know
that
how
I
to explain
decide
it.
that I want to live in a town and it's too crowded, and so I want to exterminate the people who are already there. Will Source back you up in that? No. But what if I want to live happily ever after in this town, and so I would like to find harmony in this town? Will Source back you up in that? Yes. Sometimes when we talk like this, people worry about, well, what about really bad people? What about serial killers? What about those people that come in and wreak havoc on our society? And we say, every single one of them, if you were up close and personal to them, or if you could find out from those who were, every one of them was someone who really wanted to feel good, who was badgered into a place of such disconnection. And we promise you they were not under the influence of Source when they do those things. So your question is, could I be inspired to something that isn't good for all or good for me? Yes, but you would be under the influence of something other than Source. Yeah, that's really good. So that's why you want to figure out what's satisfying and what isn't. You have to teach yourself your own guidance system. You have to develop your conscious awareness and relationship with what Source is and how Source feels before you'll have that guidance, you see. And of course you've got that already. You know, but then don't translate that further into an assignment. People say, Abraham, why did you choose Esther? Why did you choose Esther? Well, she was easy. She was asking. She hadn't made her mind up about anything. She wasn't pushing against anything. She was living happily ever after. She meditated. In her meditation, her vibration rose. She received thoughts from us. She liked it, and off we went.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean,
Esther was assigned to this. No,
when I was a
that.
little girl, I always thought that I was growing up in Algeria and seeing all the violence around and living a very difficult life. But I always thought that I had something so big to experience.
You do.
Something really big to bring people. And today I understand that it's using my voice to heal, singing all over the place, all over the world.
Get under the influence of Source and see what you talk about. And it is our promise to you that when you're under the influence of Source, you're not talking about the violence of your childhood. Because whatever you're talking about is what you're perpetuating.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Enough? Really good.
Thank you.
Really good. Really good.